loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique if you are new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 tips for looking and feeling more confident about working out. One of my main goals for 2019 is health and fitness, and these tips have helped me so much, so I thought I would share them with you, and hopefully they help you out as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Tip number 1 is find workouts you like. We all know that feeling of not wanting to go to the gym, so maybe that means you just have to mix it up. I have found that I like classes more rather than just going to the gym, so for me that is Pilates, boxing, and yoga. Once I figured out what I actually liked and was interested in, it was so much easier to stay committed and keep up with it. The second tip is wear workout clothes that inspire you and that you feel good in. And you might be thinking, really? Is she serious? And my answer is yes. By wearing workout clothes that you feel good in will actually make you want to work out. Trust me, I seriously wear certain brands and certain styles for certain workouts. And I'm honestly really excited because one of my favorite brands to wear when I train is Lululemon, and they're actually partnering up with me on this video. I have here some new pieces from their running and training collection, and I want to quickly try them on so you guys can see what type of styles I like to wear to boxing and Pilates. So the first piece I'm going to share with you is this free to be moved bra. I got it in the color white, as you can see. My favorite thing about their sports bras is they're super supportive and everything just stays in place, so I never feel like I'm going to fall out. So if I do decide to run that day, these are the bras that I like to throw on. My favorite features about this bra is the strappy back. I think it's just gorgeous, as well as I like that it has a little bit of a longer torso, so it's kind of a fun take on like a classic sports bra. Kind of gives more of like a cropped top feel. Next up we have a pair of leggings. I actually own so many of their styles, but I am currently loving these. These are the Wonder Under High Rise Tight in the Extreme 28, so they are a full length pant and they are thin, they are comfortable, they are breathable, so I'm able to sweat like crazy at boxing, but also have the flexibility and mobility to wear these to Pilates, so they are like best of all worlds. And I personally feel most confident wearing high-waisted pants when I work out because I like that everything stays tucked in and in place, and honestly, how cute are the stripes? I love the backside. The stripes go in the right direction, so they are super flattering. And last but not least, a thin long sleeve jacket, more of like a long sleeve, but it's called the It's Rulu long sleeve for your reference. You have the half zip, which just makes it really cute and sporty. You have like this ribbed accent on the back, and on the sleeves you have little thumb holes, as well as it's cropped. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna feel pretty cool going to boxing because I just feel like it's sporty and fun. So you might be thinking I'm silly, but I dare you to put on a cute workout outfit and tell me you don't feel more confident about going to the gym. And honestly, it's whatever gets you to the gym. So if that means getting cute workout gear, by all means, get the cute workout gear. This is exactly why I was excited to partner with Lululemon, because I've always felt more confident whenever I've worn their gear. And if you like the pieces that I showed you today, feel free to check them out below. I've linked everything so that way it's super easy for you to find. Tip number 3 is to work out with friends. I've noticed this helps a ton, and here's why. First of all, they hold me accountable. Secondly, they know what I'm capable of, so when I'm in class, they push me to work out harder, which is awesome. And lastly, they keep me motivated. I just love the feeling of not being alone on this fitness journey, so having somebody go through it with me helps a ton. So my recommendation is to find a friend and start working out with them. Tip number 4 is to schedule your classes and workouts. I noticed that I did not have the motivation when I woke up just to go to the gym or just to find a class. So I have found if I schedule a full week of workouts, then I never bail because they're already scheduled. And I already know I have time to do them because they're in my schedule. So every Sunday I sit down, I look at my planner, and then I schedule out my workouts. Then I send that schedule to my friends, and voila, I'm now held accountable, and so are they. The 5th and final tip is to set yourself up for success. So many people start off strong, they end up overdoing it, and then they're not able to sustain their workout schedule that they originally set. Then they get bummed out and discouraged and they quit. I'm trying to avoid that. So what I want you to do is realistically make a deal with yourself. Maybe that means you only start off working out 3 days a week. Start there, meet that goal, and then add more. Once you know you can do 3 days a week and that's just part of your routine, adding another day in and doing 4 days a week won't seem so crazy or hard. I know myself through trial and error, and I know I can do 5 days a week. So that way if I need to take like a rest day, I can, and I won't feel down on myself for not achieving my goal for that week. And then if I work out more than 5 days, well, I'm an overachiever. And then before you know it, working out will just become a lifestyle and just something you do, which is the goal. You want to make working out a lifestyle and just part of your daily routine. That is the 5th and final tip. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed these 5 tips for looking and feeling more confident about working out. These tips will help you stick and achieve your goals, and I know this because I learned the hard way. So I would also love to hear any other tips that you have and what worked for you, because I am all about learning more and trying new things as well. And if you did enjoy these tips and you found this video helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.